Okay, so from here, I see a negative 36 and a negative 35 with an M. Over here, I see a 300 with no letter, and I see a positive 7 with an M. So I see that the negative 36 with no number is just like the 300 with no variable or no letter. So I am going to move this negative 36 over here with the 300 because they are alike. They're like terms. Add or subtract like terms across the inequality or equal sign by doing the opposite of that number. Remember, when you're adding on the same side, you do not do the opposite. You just add negative 29 plus negative 7. If I want to move this number over here across this wall, because I'm going to draw a wall, then I have to do the opposite. So you have to remember that those two distinctions. So what I'm going to do, let me rewrite it. So I have negative 36 is less than, I'm going to draw a wall, 300 plus 7m. I want to move the negative 36 on the other side with this 300. So if I see a negative sign, I'm going to put a positive 36 here. I'm going to put a positive 36 here. I'm going to bring down my negative and my 35m because negative 36 plus a positive 36 is 0. I owe you $36. I have $36 to give you. That means I don't owe you anything. You don't have to put 0, you just leave it blank. 300 plus 36 is 336 plus 7m. Now I have a 7 with the m on this side that I need to move over here with the negative 35m, or I can move the negative 35m over here with the 7m. Never move this negative 35m, okay? So I'm going to put that as one of our steps. I don't know if I should put it here. I'm going to put it here. So this is step number 6. So the 6th step is to never move a number that is all by itself on one side. Because I can never leave one side empty with no number. Okay, that's 6th step. Never move this negative 35 over here, because if I move the negative 35, then what number do you see now? If I move the negative 35, what number do you see over here? There's nothing. We can never have nothing over here, okay? So instead of moving the negative 35, I instead am going to move the positive 7 over here by doing the opposite. So I see a positive, I'm going to put a negative 7m here and a negative 7m over here. So that means I owe you 35, I owe you 7. So that means I have negative 42m is less than 336. So that means I end up with negative 42m is less than 336. Because remember, a positive 7 and a negative 7 cancel each other out or equal 0. Your 7th or your last step is that after you see that there is no more